Welcome. Today we're going to do a beard trim in long hair using the scissors. We are going to start the beard trim. Most of it we're going to do it with scissors. At the end we're going to do the edges with the trimmer. We are going to start with the guideline, we're going to cut it and we're going to level it with the ear area. Connect the guideline and level it with the ear area. This area we're gonna make it shorter so the front looks longer. This is the shortest part of the guideline. We are gonna check that the guideline on the front and the guideline on the ear area are even. In this part we're gonna cut a little bit more so the guideline is straighter. This area we're gonna do it scissor over comb in a 45 angle degree going up. This area we're gonna make it shorter, avoiding cutting more than we need. Continue polishing the shortest area of the guideline. Extract the hair with the comb and continue cutting in a 45 angle degree going up. This area we're gonna make it a bit shorter. Use the scissor in a free way to clear the darkest area and make everything even. With precision, we only gonna cut the darker areas. With this technique, we also can cut the hair standing up away from the skin. Continue cutting the hairs on the chin area, and this part we're gonna make it rounded. This is a long beard, we're gonna avoid using the machine, we're gonna make everything with scissors, and at the end we're gonna make the edges with the trimmer. Continue cutting the hair standing up away from the skin, and now we're gonna continue with the mustache area. When we are trimming the mustache area, some hair can jump straight to the eye. Tell the client to close his eyes. Now, using the trimmer, we're gonna trim the bottom of the mustache area using the corners of the blade. Make this area as natural as possible. Now we're gonna make the edge on the top. Using the trimmer, we're gonna make it as natural as possible. We are gonna open a way that later we're gonna shave with the straight razor. We can detail some areas using the corner of the blade of the trimmer. The rest of the hair cut it going up. Here there's some shadow left, we can clear it using the scissors. The job with the scissors and the trimmer is done, but we can continue polishing the beard. We are gonna continue with the right side, and we're gonna use the guideline that we did in the middle, level it with the ear area. Connect the guideline going to the back. Remember, the guideline on the ear area is shorter, so we can give it a going down effect. We're gonna check that we cut all the hairs on the bottom. If there's some hair left, we're gonna cut it. This area we're gonna do it scissor over comb in a 45 angle degree going up. This area we're gonna make it shorter, avoiding cutting more than we need. Continue polishing the shortest area of the guideline. Extract the hair with the comb and continue in a 45 angle degree going up. This area of the edge we're gonna make it shorter and we're gonna continue cutting going up. Using the scissor we're gonna cut in a free way, clearing the darkest area so everything looks even. With precision we only gonna clear the darkest areas using the tip of the scissor. This part we're gonna use the tip of the scissor to clear the darker areas. Continue trimming the mustache, tell the client to close his eyes. Continue trimming the hair on the chin area, and this part we're gonna make it rounded. We're gonna trim the bottom of the mustache and we're gonna use this part of the comb to extract the hair hidden. Use this part of the blade of the trimmer to start making the edge on the top. The rest of the hair we're gonna cut it going up. We are polishing the beard and we can clear the darker areas using the scissor. Now we're gonna make the edge on the bottom. We can use this part of the comb to flatten the hair away from the skin and use it as a frame to make the hair straight. We are gonna make the guideline on the chin area lower and higher on the ear area. We can cut some hairs using the pulse with the trimmer. Flat the hair away from the skin with this part of the comb. The rest of the hair we're gonna cut it in a free way. Stretch the scalp to detail the edge on the lower area. With this part of the comb we're gonna extract the hair hidden on the ear area. Continue with the left side of the edge on the lower area. Using the finger, stretch the skin to extract the hair hidden. With the trimmer, cut the hair standing up using your pulse. extract the hair hidden with this part of the comb on the ear area to cut it. Now we're gonna apply the hot towel. We're gonna leave it from 1 to 2 minutes to soften the hair for the shave. We can use our hands so the hot towel make contact with the skin. We are gonna continue with the shave. We're gonna use the straight razor and the shaving cream. After shaving in a freeway, we can use the finger to stretch the skin and use this part of the razor to polish the edge. This part we're gonna shave it using this area of the straight razor, and the rest we're gonna shave it stretching the skin and going up. We are gonna shave the lower area of the edge, and we're gonna use this part of the straight razor to shave. We are stretching the skin gently so the fall of the straight razor is straight. We are gonna check the edge, and if there is any hair out of place, we're gonna cut it with the scissors. Continue shaving the ear area. We're only gonna open away, and the rest we're gonna shave it going down. Now we're gonna do the shave on the right side. After shaving in a freeway, we can use the finger to stretch the skin and use this part of the razor to polish the edge. This part we're gonna shave it using this area of the straight razor, and the rest we're gonna shave it stretching the skin and going up. Shave going up. Shave going up. Here there's some shadow left. We can clear it with Here there's some shadow left. We can clear it using the scissors. If there's some hair out of place, we can cut it using the scissors. This is the final result. This was a beard trim with a long beard. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. These are some of my previous videos. I invite you to watch them, and if you like them, hit the like button and subscribe.